Hi everyone, it's Brian Miller, Executive Vice President of your Building Industry Association of Northern Kentucky, coming at you with the March BIA update. The Enswaller Building Institute and Al Nair will host a Women in Construction open house at our location at the Building Center on Saturday, March 13th. The open house will include representatives from Al Nair, the female students currently enrolled at the Enswaller Building Institute, and BIA female-owned operated companies who will discuss opportunities for women in the field. Please visit the Enswaller Building Institute Facebook page for event details to share with the young women who you know might be interested in a career in the construction industry. We will have our very first in-person networking event since last September this very month. The Sales and Marketing Council will host their first third Thursday happy hour with special guest Ashley Builders Group at Brothers Bar and Grill in Newport, Kentucky on Thursday, March 18th from 4 p.m. until 6 p.m. This event is sponsored by Northwest Title and Option Financial. The event is free to attend, but you must register by emailing Charlie, that's C-H-A-R-L-E-Y, at buildersnky.com. Appetizers are provided, but you are on your own for drinks. All CDC protocols will be observed, and our event host will take special care to ensure that you are comfortable at the event. So we do look forward to seeing you there for the first time in a long time. We'd like to welcome some of our new members. OSEG Construction, and check out this month's milestone members. For 1 year of association membership, Realty Executive Select, 10 years of outstanding BIA membership, BW Glazing and Installation Company, LLC, doing business as Dickey's Glass. 15 years of outstanding association membership, Hermes Construction. 20 years of membership, Barnes Denning and Company, and Fields Welding. A little quick advocacy update. For years, it seems like we have been working on the subdivision regulations in Kenton County where it comes to streets, specifically industrial and light commercial streets. After a 2-year process, that entire process is coming to an end, and in the coming months, you will have 2 new street sections in Kenton County. They are going to mimic some of the street sections in Campbell County, so you'll be able to construct the same streets in Campbell and in Kenton. What you have special in this new regulation is the fact that we will now have a new light commercial street section, which will be much more affordable for retail and for smaller operations that don't have 24-hour trucking. So be on the lookout for that, and be on the lookout for more as we continue to drive the economic engine that is Northern Kentucky. I'd like to take a second to give a very special shout out to our own Director of Finance, Dan Smith, for his 7th anniversary as a member of our staff team here at the BIA. Dan works very hard behind the scenes most often, so you don't see him very much, but the work he does helps make the whole ship run as smooth as possible here at the BIA. Thanks, Dan, for all you do. We're so glad to have you here as a part of our team. Be sure to check out our LinkedIn and Twitter accounts for all of our latest news. Follow us on Facebook to see what events are coming up, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see future BIA update videos as soon as they go live, just like this one. And make sure that you not only like all of our comments and all of our features on our social media accounts, but be sure to share them. Share them with your colleagues, share them with your employees, share them with your friends and family. That's a way for us to get our message out the most effective on social media. So again, it's Brian Miller signing out, and we will see you next month. Bye-bye.